welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you guys can already tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a yellow and orange smoky eye. I know, right? I had to take a quick pause because I am normally not the one to do this dramatic of a colorful look. And anybody in my family, friends will tell you I'm a very just neutral person, just like my top right here. I can't even get colorful with my outfits. Very neutral, but I was super excited to try this out, and I did use the MORPHE JACLYN Hill palette with her Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm super excited to let you guys know what my thoughts were on this. So if you guys want to keep watching and see my thoughts and the tutorial, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited about this makeup look. I already did my complexion, bronzer, foundation, and everything like that. And of course my eyebrows, because I cannot start my eyeshadow without my eyebrows on. So I'm going to go ahead and start this look off with the Morphe X JACLYN Hill palette. This is their new one. This is the Armed and Gorgeous. I am so excited to be testing this one out, and I know you guys would never think that I would use eyeshadows like this, but I've been really wanting to do and use colors of this realm of like the orange. Hopefully you guys can see this, like the orange, and then also the yellows are going to be the ones that I'll be using today. So let's go ahead and get this look started. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and I'm super sorry about that. Just a lot of personal stuff going on right now, but let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm going to first take this Access shade right here, which is a yellow, and you guys don't have to have this specific palette. So just pick any yellow shade that you guys have, and I'm going to go ahead and just take it on this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe G14, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my lid. I'm a little nervous just because I don't really use colors like this, but I really wanted for this tutorial to step out of my comfort zone. So let's see how this applies. Go ahead and just apply it on all over the lid, and just a little bit up to your crease, but not too much because I'm going to be putting the orange shade there to blend it all out. So we're basically going to be doing like an orange and yellow smoky eye. But yeah, I've missed you guys so much. I feel like I haven't talked to my YouTube fam in a very long time. I hope you all are doing well. I've just gotten back into school, so everything has just been super busy. I think I'm going to go ahead and just stick with doing one eye in this tutorial and then go off camera and do the other one, just so this video is not super long. But yeah, I feel like, again, I haven't talked to you guys in a while. There's been a lot going on, just super stressed out with school and stuff like that. I feel like you guys really don't know me like outside of YouTube stuff unless you follow me on social media, which I will have all of my handles listed down below if you guys want to follow me there. Sorry, I'm also just trying not to get the mirror in the shot so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented on camera. Holy crap. Hopefully everything is in focus. I feel like I still need to get a little bit more of a studio set up, but for right now I'm just kind of winging this in my room. Okay, so I don't see a lot of fallout. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is my first time even using this specific palette. I did use the Ring the Alarm palette from her collection only once, but I haven't filmed with any of them. So I would definitely say that this is super pigmented. So let's go ahead and move on to an orange shade now. So that first shade was Access, which is this yellow shade, and now let's go into the shade Agent right here. I feel like this would be a good orangey crease color. And I'm going to go ahead and take one of my favorite blending brushes. This is also by Morphe. No, this video is not sponsored by Morphe. I just love Morphe brushes so much. So this is the Morphe M433 brush. This is super great, and I'm going to dip into that shade Agent. And again, I'm just going to kind of build up that orange shade from this outer corner to the crease and just kind of blend it all in. I know you guys are wanting me to do more out of my comfort zone type of looks, so this is what I decided to do. I know it still is kind of more of a neutral look with these types of colors. It's not like blues and purples and stuff, but I would definitely love to get into making more videos of colorful looks, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, let's go ahead and just keep blending out. As you can tell, I'm not taking it all the way up to my eyebrow bone. I'm just kind of keeping it in the outer part of the eye and then also into the crease. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on in the beauty community right now, and I feel like that's another reason why I kind of just stopped making videos, even though I know I'm not like one of the top people whatsoever on YouTube, but I do watch a lot of them, like JACLYN Hill, like James Charles, like all of them, that even Manny MUA I was kind of getting into watching, and LOREAL just a little bit, but there's just so much drama going on, as well as Jeffree Star and just all of them. And I just kind of want to hear your guys' thoughts about how you feel the beauty community should be, and if it should go back to old school videos, if you guys like this new type of stuff that they have going on. Let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Okay, I'm seriously loving the pigment of this. And mind you, I'm going to have to go to school after I finish filming this. So everybody's going to be able to see my super colorful eyes. And I never do this, but it's kind of exciting to see a different type of a look on myself. Okay, so now that that is blended, I'm now going to take an even more fluffier brush. And this is a Morphe M513 brush. And I'm going to be taking the shade called Secure. And that is this more deeper orange shade right here. Also, sorry about the lighting in this video, how it goes super bright and super dark. I need to get my softbox lights back right here on the sides of me, because all I'm using right now is my ring light, and it is a little bit dark outside today for whatever reason. So it is just causing the lighting to change up a little bit. But anyways, let's go ahead and get back to this eye look. So I'm going to go in with that Secure shade and this more fluffy brush, definitely to tap off just a little bit of the excess. I meant excess, not access. I always say that. And I'm just going to go ahead and really define the outer part of the eye with that deeper orange shade. So as you can tell, I'm not taking it into the crease. I'm really just keeping it right here, and I'm going in circular motions, just trying to build up the pigmentation. I didn't put too much on my brush. Oh, there's a little brush hair. I didn't put too much on my brush just because I didn't want just a smack of orange on my eye. I just wanted to slowly build it up and blend it out with that yellow and other orange crease shade that we put earlier. Also, let me know if you guys have tried any of her palettes, if you guys bought the whole entire vault. Again, I bought the whole entire thing. I kind of want to make more videos using it and seeing if the pigmentation is as good as it says it is with all the palettes, but so far I feel like everything's blending out super nice. That was another thing that I saw come up, of course, on like Twitter and everything, with all this confrontation with poor JACLYN Hill. I love her so much, but she's been just going through so much lately. And yeah, the trash man just wants to come apparently when I'm filming. Sorry about that. Super loud. But again, let me know if you guys just bought the palettes individually, if you didn't buy the palettes at all because you didn't know if you'd like them or not, or if you did buy the whole vault. I would love to know your guys' input on it. Okay, I'm loving this look. I feel like it totally looks like a sunset inspired look. So now that I've blended all that out, I'm going to go ahead and go off camera now, and I'm going to do the other eye just so we can speed this up a little bit faster, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back, and you guys can tell that this eye has already been done, and I did smoke out the lower lash line just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and dip in with this flat definer brush. This is the Morphe M432, and I'm going to dip back into that yellow access shade that we used earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and just smoke it out on this lower lash line. And this is just going to really help bring the look around the eye all together. So you guys don't have to do this part. You could just leave the top part that we went over earlier. But I kind of just like to make the whole eye look go full circle and kind of smoke it out. Of course, if you smoke it out, you can wear this every day and everything like that. But a lot of people like to do this for like an evening look or something like that. But you best believe that I will do this for just an everyday look. And again, I told you guys that I have to go to school after this, so I know everybody's gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. So I didn't say it, but I did just jump into the shade Agent, which was that middle orange shade that we put in our crease, and now I'm going in with Secure, and I'm just gonna go ahead and only put Secure on this outer half of the lash line, so just from the middle to the outer half. That's just gonna help bring the look up and make your eyes look a little bit more cat-like, if you will. So that is pretty much the eyeshadow look so far. I know you guys are probably like, whoa, she's never done a look like this before, which is so true, and I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I actually kind of like it. It's making my blue eyes pop even more. I'm debating on putting on some eyeliner, if I should just throw on some false lashes. I think I'm just going to throw on some false lashes with mascara. But overall, I am really liking this palette. The blendability was super good. I really enjoyed all of the shades. I'm now going to go ahead and just jump in with some mascara. I'm going to curl my eyelashes right now. I've been loving the Sephora collection eyelash curler ever since I worked there. I picked it up when, of course, I had my discount there. Even though it's not that expensive of an eyelash curler, it's probably like $14 or something. But it works really well and kind of comparable to drugstore eyelash curlers, but just a little bit more high-end. Sorry, there's a little fluff on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I have mine in the shade Blackest Black. And this is kind of a dupe, everybody says, for the Better Than Sex mascara, but I honestly think that they're just a little bit different. But mine has also dried out a little bit more than getting like a fresh tube, so I think that's why I like this one still, is because when mascaras dry out, they don't get as clumpy. They're kind of like stiff-like, and they stay curled a little bit longer. They're not as wet, so that's why I like doing that. Also, I'm going to be popping some Demi Wispy, sorry, I was looking down at them. I get the multi-pack. I'm going to be putting on the Demi Wispies false lashes. So I'm only putting about 1.5 coats to 2 coats of mascara on, just because I don't need them to look super voluminous, but I need them to look like I got some mascara on my eyelashes before I go in and put the false lashes on. I almost forgot to put bottom mascara on my eyelashes. I don't know why, but every time I film, I always forget to put it on there, and then at the end of the video I'm like, why do my eyes look so weird? And it's because I forgot to put bottom mascara on. Sorry also about all the weird faces that I make when I put mascara on. I know I'm not the only one that makes weird faces. I'm kind of liking it with just the mascara. I don't know, should I put falsies on? I feel like I should put falsies on just for the heck of it. You guys could totally just stop here and not put falsies on if you don't want to, but I'm going to be a little high maintenance today even though I'm going to school. I'm going to be at school all day today, and I won't get home till later on at like 7 o'clock at night, so I think I'm just going to be a little high maintenance. So again, I'm going in. I get the multi-pack of the Wispies. Hopefully you guys can see that. I get the Demi Wispies. They also have multi-packs of Wispies, so whatever kind you guys like. And I'm going to go ahead and just apply them on my eyes. I don't really like to do this on camera. I do have a video of applying false lashes. It is a little bit older of a video. If you guys want an updated version, let me know. But I pretty much do the same thing, kind of measuring them, cutting them, and then applying it with some lash glue. But I will be right back to show you guys the final look. Alright everybody, so this pretty much sums up the video. I try to keep it short, sweet, simple, and to the point of the eye tutorial. I went ahead off camera and applied some false lashes as well as applying a lip. And I will let you guys know which lip I applied. I used the NYX lip liner pencil in the shade Natural. Such a good shade. It honestly resembles my natural lip color. And then to top it off, I went in with a liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim. Again, I will have everything listed down below in the description box of what I used. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I honestly reply to you guys as fast as I can. I'm pretty much always on my phone, but I always see when you guys notify me when you guys comment, so I always make sure that I respond back to you guys. I would also love to hear your guys' thoughts about the beauty community right now and what's going on within this YouTube realm. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments. And also, if you guys did enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up since it does help out my channel a lot, and I would super, super appreciate it. And last but not least, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please hit that big red button down at the bottom. It's either on the left or the right hand side. I can never remember. And then if you guys do want to get notified every time I upload, please hit that little notification bell off to the side. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate and love all of you guys that support me and have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!